In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Twitter app on Android. Even though many people still call it Twitter, the app is now officially named X. We'll use the recommended official method so you can get it safely from the Google Play Store, and I'll share a few helpful tips along the way so everything goes smoothly. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. You'll usually find the Play Store icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. If you're signed into your Google account, you're good to go. This is the safest place to get the app because updates, security checks, and compatibility are handled for you. Next, use the search bar at the top and type X or Twitter. Both terms will take you to the same app. The official listing will show the black icon with a white X and indicate that it's the real, widely downloaded app with over 1 billion installs. When in doubt, look for high download numbers and a recognizable developer name to confirm you're in the right place. When you found it, tap Install. The download size can vary depending on your device and region. A stable internet connection helps the process go faster. You'll see a progress bar as the app downloads and then installs automatically. Once the installation finishes, tap Open. From here, you can log in if you already have an account or sign up if you're new. The app will guide you through the on-screen prompts, so just follow what you see. If you're returning, use your existing credentials. If you're new, creating an account only takes a moment and you'll be walked through the basics right away. After you're in, you'll notice the familiar experience, but with a refreshed name. Posts were once called tweets, and you can still share your thoughts, photos, and videos just as before. You can watch trending news and short clips, follow people and topics you care about to personalize your feed, send private messages through DMs, and listen to live audio conversations in Spaces. It's designed to help you keep up with what's happening and connect with communities in real time. That's all there is to it. Open the Google Play Store, search for X or Twitter, tap Install, wait for the download to finish, then tap Open and log in or sign up. You now have the official X app on your Android device and you're ready to explore, post, and stay informed. Thanks for watching and enjoy your time on X.